I'm here in the State Fair, Texas, and obviously we're talking trucks because, well, duh, it's Texas. And we got a cool truck setup for you. We have a demonstration of a new truck bed company hooked to a trailer hauling hay. Hey y'all, we're here, hey, but Texas, hey, what is going on? Hey, it's Tim, Pickup Truck Plus HV Talk. I got an owner, I got a representative of Liberty Trailers. Let's talk with them on what's going on with this setup.
Well, Tim, as you know, I've been in the truck body business for many years. We've built over 250,000 truck bodies. And last year I decided to retire. And during retirement, looked at several different opportunities, and some friends of mine had started NXG truck bodies, or better known as NXG. Truly the next generation in flat decks. So right here at the Texas State Fair, we have 4 trucks. This one here mounted on a King Ranch takeoff model, and it is a power horse. This body is filled with features. Most importantly, it's built by customers, inspired by those who we've built bodies for many years. A few quick things, Tim, for you to note is we use a one-piece weld-on headache rack. We have the industry's only semi-gloss powder coat finish, backed by a 5-stage wash, because we all know, Tim, as you do, as long as you've been around trucks and beds and hauling, powder coat is the #1 issue in truck bodies. Well, at NXG Truck Bodies, we truly have the next generation in powder coat. We have the industry's heaviest tow rating with a 25,000-pound rear receiver hitch and a 30,000-pound gooseneck. All of our toolboxes on our XSB skirted body are all bolted in. So in the colder climates where you have a lot of snow and corrosion and salt and all the stuff we don't want to talk about, we actually bolt our toolboxes in so they're fully powder coated before installation. And that also allows us to fully powder coat the underside of our decks. NXG is the only truck body in North America that can say that. We also, you'll notice on that toolbox door, have a fully stainless steel piano hinge. No rust, no corrosion, and most importantly, no coating. So when you open and close that door hundreds of times a day, you don't rip the coating off. From a user standpoint, Tim, you'll find some things that are super neat. Right in front of that toolbox, you'll see a step. Right behind our rear toolbox, you'll also see another very large step. NXG boasts the heaviest tow ratings there on the rear and the easiest access with our deep bumper and large steps on both sides. From an automotive standpoint, we have a couple really neat features there on the rear, like our camera cavity right above our license plate, standard on all NXG truck bodies. So our camera cavity is the industry's only integrated camera holder, which allows you to take the OEM camera and install it into a fully protected cavity. You see OEM style 12-volt trailer plugs there on the left-hand side of the license plate, and NXG also boasts the industry's only breakaway battery safety cable loop located just to the left-hand side of our rear safety chains. At NXG, we're focused on safety and towing, so we combine both of those features with our new breakaway battery cable loop that is very conveniently positioned next to our safety chain loops. And as you can see, the finish on this body is impeccable. The welds are clean, the semi-gloss finish eliminates all weld spots, and this body boasts integrated strobe lights on all bodies. So when you're going down the road and you're working, your crews know that they have strobes and safety protection built into every body.
Well, Joe, the build quality of this looks exceptional. This is a good-looking truck bed, but where do people buy this at? Where can you shop for this thing?
So you can buy this at distributors. We will have a dealer locator on our website here in the next 60 days as we're starting to form a distribution network. This body is built right here in the state of Texas, home to more farmers and ranchers than any state in the country. We have bodies for all models of trucks, whether it's a General Motors product, a Ram, or a Ford Motor Company product. We build everything from short wheelbase to long wheelbase, and also in both cab chassis configurations. You'll also see the style of our headache rack. It fits a Ford cab like a glove.
I gotta say, it looks pretty. It's a very pretty trailer.
It is a pretty trailer, and that's one thing that we try to do to separate ourselves from the mass production product that's out there on the market today. So just like Joe, I've been in the trailer business for nearly 20 years. I've worked at some of the largest brands in the industry. About a year ago, I decided to make a change and join Liberty Trailers. Liberty's headquartered out of Fillmore, Indiana, so just outside of Indianapolis. Mostly regionalized in the Midwest, but we just completed a brand new 150,000 square foot manufacturing facility in Sulphur Springs, Texas. So we are expanding our dealer network right now and widening our footprint to more of a national level. The things that separate our trailers out from, like I said, some of the mass production products is, first of all of our trailers are American made and commercial grade, meaning they're built right here in the US. A lot of brands are starting to outsource their labor into Mexico and some other places. You don't have to worry about this, 100% American made craftsmanship. The other thing that we really focus on is uncompromising quality. So every single one of our trailers are meticulously designed by our engineering team. They are run through our operations, our manufacturing plant, to make sure that we've got quality ensured every step of the way. And then obviously they have a check at the end of the line to make sure that we've done everything right as well. Yeah, you notice the blue color. This is our Freedom Blue, which is a very popular color. We also offer 13 other colors, and the great thing with Liberty is all the different colors are the exact same price. So you're not gonna get upcharged just because you wanna have a little bit more style behind your rig. Now this trailer here is one of our tandem dual flatbed gooseneck models. It's the LF22KGN. This trailer is available either with 10,000 pounds for a GVWR of 23,900 pounds, or with two 12,000 pound axles for a GVWR of 25,900 pounds. Couple features that I think are worth noting. Obviously, you just looked at the Demco coupler there. Just like our bumper pole models have always used the Demco Easy Latch coupler, we now have the gooseneck style, so that's an auto locking coupler, so you don't have to worry about getting up and off your bed 1,000 times to try to hook up your trailer. We also have this zip breakaway cable, makes it super easy. And then this is a cool thing. I'm gonna unhook the lights here, but you park your trailer out in your pasture or next to your shop, what happens? The plug gets thrown down the ground, gets mud and muck and water in there. We use Lodestone 7-way magnetic plugs, so you can just stick it right to the trailer. Easy every single time. You don't have to worry about wiring issues. Of course, this trailer has a ton of storage. We've got our front toolbox here, but we also integrated a toolbox in the neck where you can have extra storage for your chains, your boomers, things like that. You can also utilize that as a package for a winch add-on as well. Yeah, this haze making it a little hard to see everything, but dual 2-speed jacks are standard on all of our flatbed goosenecks. We also have stowable side steps here, so that you don't have to worry about your steps getting broken the first time you go off-road with your trailer here. They stow right underneath the trailer. Obviously, it's a little hard to see with this skirt here, but we've got 6-inch channel side rails with rub rails, stake pockets, and chain spools. So you have a lot of versatility no matter what type of cargo you're carrying, whether it's bales of hay or pieces of equipment here. We'll lift up the skirt a little bit to show you here. Obviously, we talked about the axles. Like I said, they're available in 10K or 12K axle configurations. We exclusively use Dexter axles. And if you notice the red cap on the axle, that's the Fortress bearing protection caps. So that's a metal cap versus the traditional plastic caps that you'll see going down the highway. So it offers a level of protection for your bearings. And then on this model, we use a HD SS heavy duty adjustable suspension. So it's going to give you more longevity in your components, improved ride quality as well. Now this trailer sits on a pierced beam, low profile frame, so it's got a lower center of gravity. That's also going to improve your drivability. On the back here, you'll notice our 60-inch self-cleaning dovetail and our mammoth ramps. These ramps are extra wide so that you can do just like we're doing here. We've got hay sitting on top of the ramp, so you can do all types of cargo on there, or you can flip these over and you can haul heavy equipment, vehicles, all different types of wheeled equipment. The ramps are all spring loaded. They look really heavy duty and hard to move, but they're actually not. We've got double springs there. Of course, all of our trailers have LED lighting, sealed wiring, modular harnesses, and we also have a 3-year structural warranty on everything. Now, of course, we don't just build flatbed goosenecks. We build utility trailers, car haulers, equipment haulers, tilt trailers, dump trailers, pretty much the entire lineup of commercial grade products. Whether you're a roofer, a contractor, a hot shotter, you're in agriculture, we've got a product that will work for pretty much any lifestyle, as well as if you're just a DIYer or a weekend warrior who wants to haul your ATV, we got products for that as well.
Where you can find this stuff at?
So you can go to libertytrailers.com and you can find your local dealer near there. We sell exclusively through our dealer network all throughout the United States.
So it sounds like you didn't cut any corners.
We don't.
Find anything in there, what you said. You didn't say I didn't use this cheap Chinese thing here. This didn't come from Taiwan there.
Exactly. I mean, so look, obviously every trailer is going to have some imported components. There's certain things that you just can't find suppliers for in the U.S., but we strive to do as much as we can with domestic products. Obviously, we've made a commitment to U.S. workers by building this new factory here in Texas. That's a huge investment for us, but we feel like that's super important, not only for giving back to the U.S. economy, but also we want to make sure that we've got the best trailers on the market, and we feel like U.S. craftsmanship gives us that opportunity.
You know what we need? We need Trailer Wars. That should be coming to like TBS or something. Trailer Wars coming soon on TV. I'll make it happen. More things happening. Check out some videos over here. Website down below as well. As always, thanks for watching. We will see you down the road.